moving into the region as we speak, and all of this is out ahead of the warm front that's going to be lifting to the north tonight and then bringing us rain into tonight, tomorrow morning as well. So your Thursday morning commute looks like it's going to be a soggy one. Heavy downpours could be causing some delays as well. Currently, we're starting to see a couple raindrops coming down in southwestern LaSalle County. Otherwise, we're still mainly dry at this point, but again, that rain's going to continue to kind of spread across the region this evening and throughout the overnight. Now tomorrow, all eyes are going to be on our severe weather potential. So across portions of the area from eastern Iowa and then over into northern Illinois, especially where you see that orange shading here, that's an enhanced risk, which means numerous severe storms are going to be possible. I will have the timing and the hazards coming up in just a bit. A child lifting to the north through the region tonight into early morning tomorrow, and that's already beginning to push in some rain. So we're going to have rain, a couple thunderstorms around tonight, but the severe weather threat, that's not until tomorrow. So tomorrow afternoon and evening, we're looking at what could end up becoming a regional severe weather outbreak stretching from eastern Iowa into especially northern Illinois, and then that threat should drop off the farther east that you go. But if we zoom things in, you'll notice most of northeastern Illinois is in a level 3 enhanced risk. We have a level 2 slight risk across northwest Indiana. All hazards are going to be possible, and that does include tornadoes. I'll have a look at the timing coming up. Once you factor in the wind, we have wind chill temperatures for a lot of us that are still only in the upper 20s to low 30s, so it is gusty out there as well. Now tomorrow, all eyes are going to be focused on the afternoon and evening because we have a severe weather risk to tell you about. Across northeast Illinois, we have a level 3 enhanced risk and then a level 2 slight risk across northwest Indiana, also including lakefront locations from Chicago all the way up toward Kenosha. But regardless, whether you're in the slight risk or the enhanced risk, just know that all hazards are going to be possible tomorrow. I think it's going to come down to the intensity and the coverage of these storms tomorrow afternoon. So first and foremost, the primary threat with any storm that goes severe is going to be the damaging wind risk. So 60+ mile per hour winds going to be possible with any storms that become severe tomorrow. But we're also really transitioning here to focusing on the tornado threat as well. Across northeastern Illinois specifically, there's a 10% tornado risk. And if you're thinking that that number isn't very high, to put this in perspective, most severe weather days that we have here in the Chicagoland area, we're seeing between a 2 to 5% risk. So seeing this 10% tornado risk, that is significant. And if any tornadoes do develop tomorrow, there's at least going to be ingredients in play that could take them into strong or long track tornadoes. So this is the time to prepare. Make sure you have ways of getting those severe weather alerts and plan out your Thursday. Know what you're going to do if a tornado warning is indeed issued for your location tomorrow afternoon and evening. The time frame to be alert is going to be from 3 p.m. to about 9 p.m. tomorrow. Futurecast. Tonight we have the warm front lifting to the north, so we're tapping into that warmer air tomorrow. Highs will be in the upper 60s to low 70s. Storms are likely going to fire up around mid-afternoon, and then we'll have another round coming through late evening. Once the cold front comes through, again, that severe weather threat, that's going to come to an end, and then we're going to start to quiet things down going into your Friday. So your 7-day forecast tomorrow, very warm, but remember, stay weather aware, have ways of receiving those severe weather alerts, and then we will be in the low 60s for highs Friday and Saturday, a soggy start to Saturday, and by Sunday, we're going to have high temperatures right around 50.